Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. After watching this video, if you find some values, so subscribe and like. And below the video, you will find many links. The top 4 links are for those people who wants to make money in swing trading. Okay, so the first link says swing trading on automation, so you can click on this link, then come to this page here, and then this is the the software I have created, which you can install on your chart and start your daily swing trading. Okay, so maybe I'm the first human on the planet to automate daily swing trading, so I have transferred my human knowledge into this robot and everything is created by me. So if you want to automate the whole process of daily charts into trading, then check out the first link below which says swing trading on automation. Then second link is about join free Telegram. So make sure you connect with my free Telegram at least if you want to get some signals every now and then, or you want to stay updated. So join Telegram absolutely for free. Just below that, you have a link which says join premium signals. So in case you want to get some premium signals, you can check that out. And then check out the brokers in the prop firm right here. And make sure you join these brokers because I have been using them for last maybe 4 years and more. And they have, no issues in withdrawals, because when you are into trading, the biggest problem is if your broker will pay you the money on time or not, or if they will run away with your money. Okay, so these are those trusted brokers and the pro firms. So go and join them to start your trading journey. Subscribe, like all of that, and check out these links. As I said, top 4 links are for traders, and these below links are for affiliate marketing. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube or other stuff. Okay, so you can check out everything. Top 4 belongs to the traders, right? And especially if you want to automate everything, then check out the first one and come to this page. Watch this video to see the results. Now subscribe, like blah blah blah. Now let's start the analysis. Alrighty, USDCHF today analysis. So let's start the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, we have the rejection. Okay, so this is your, if I draw the line, this is your support in weekly. Okay, this support was hit here, then here, and then here, and then here again. In other words, this is also called liquidity grab. If I let me use my rectangle, that's my rectangle. So that's your liquidity zone. Okay, this was massive, so nobody could have survived in this one, which was on what was the date? I think 15 September 25. Okay, so you see this liquidity grab until the whole box, unless you move the box further. Okay, so if the box was like this, then the stop losses were maybe not hit, otherwise everybody was cleaned out here. Okay, so this is called liquidity grab, whatever. Okay, this is weekly time frame. In weekly, we have grabbed the liquidity. Okay, we as in investors. Okay, so if you think like investors, that's the only way you could survive in this industry for long term. So we have in weekly taken our stop losses, grab the liquidity, and now we will go probably up. Coming back to daily chart here, in daily you could see you have the bearish hammer. Now it's not the uptrend. Price will touch the EMI, then maybe bounce back. So the short term entry is maybe long until the EMI. Okay, so coming back to 4 hour, let's go back. Yes, surely long. Okay, so this is your bullish engulfing one single candle. Price will touch the EMA, rejected, then come down. So for short term entry, look for longs until the EMI. Okay, and again in daily chart, the same thing, hammer, look for longs until the EMI, and then we will see it from there. But if you want to trade USD pairs, you have too many. You can trade GBP USD, Euro USD. Don't even worry about USDCHF because it's not that volatile. Okay, but look for longs in USDCHF if you have aims and fantasy to trade it. Thanks for watching, and subscribe, like blah blah blah, and get the software. Subscribe to my channel, I guess. Okay, and I'll see you in my next video. So then take care.